everyone, in today's video I wanted to show you an app called Video Star, and it's a great way to make videos right on your phone. It's available for iOS and Android, and I want to show you the basic overview on how to use the app to make your first music video. If it's your first time here, I make super easy to follow social media videos every single day of the week, so please consider subscribing. So first of all, jump into the App Store on your device and go ahead and look for the app called Video Star here. And once you find the app, you basically want to download and open the app. So when you open the app for the first time, this is what it's going to look like. This is the main page of the app. And let me just show you a quick overview of what the app has to offer. So the very first thing I want to show you is this question mark in the corner. Go ahead and press that question mark. And it's going to take you to a page where you could see a bunch of different tutorials. So if I don't cover anything, you should check here to see if they have the answer for you. And there's a bunch of users tutorials too, like the user tutorial like I'm making right now. You could search for that there. So this page is very helpful to get you started. You have your settings, your trash, your iCloud icon all on the bottom here on the bottom row. And on top, let's look at a couple of the options. The heart takes you to the social media part of the app. So you could look at some of the VS insiders, you could look at future videos to get some inspiration. So you could click on each one and watch it. But let's worry about making a video right now. And for that, all you have to do is press the plus sign on the top of the page. So over here, if I press plus, it will allow me to make a video. So first things first, we want to do video format. So what are you making this video for? For YouTube, choose the first option. For Instagram story, choose the last option. And for Instagram, if you want to make a square video, choose one of these other options in the middle. So that's the size and the video format. You have to choose that first. Once you do that, you'll have to select the song. So let's press select song, and you'll have all these free songs to choose from. So look here, all these free options. And on the bottom of the page, if you look here, there's songs, artists, playlist, videos. So if I choose songs, I could see a bunch of other songs and search differently. But here we want to worry about the free songs and choose one of these free songs. So listen to the one you want, choose one. I'll just choose this one, Amy here. And you could look on it on iTunes or make a video. I'm gonna just press make a video. So once you get to the make a video page, you'll see this option here to record a video, import a video, or import a photo. What this does is it allows you not to have to edit any video. So you could record clip by clip of your video. So let's do record a video here. And I'm going to give it access to my camera and to microphone here. And now you could have a couple options before you press record. So the record option is right here on this part of the page. But a couple other options. You could change the zoom. So you see 1 or 2 times zoom here. That's what I'm pressing. So let's say we just have the 1x. You have your filters on the bottom. So you could choose filters before you start recording if you wanted to do that. I'm just going to choose the first filter right here. You could press the plus sign for some more options here, but we're not going to worry about that. Let's just worry about recording a video. So let me just record my screen here. I'll just go ahead and press record. It's going to give you a countdown. And then you could press stop when you're done with recording that first clip. Now, if you wanted to add another clip, this is what you have to do. You just basically press record one more time. So let me frame up my shot here. And let me press play on my computer. And I'll press record one more time. It's going to give me the countdown. And then it's to the beat, so you should be hearing a beat here, and go ahead and record your video and then press stop again. So you basically want to do this in camera, so you're basically editing as you record. Once you're done here, let me press the X on top, and now I could see my different clips. So if I press play, it's going to play my first video. And as soon as I started recording the second video, it's going to make the cut to the second video. So you basically want to do this in camera, meaning you don't need to edit this later. You could just edit right now as you shoot. So if you need to trim right here, I'll just press edit here. And let me choose merge scenes here. Select the start scene and the end scene to merge the two. So I'll just do this as the start scene. And then I'll set start here. And then I'll do the end scene and set end here. And then I'll say merge, and I'll say merge again. So now if I press play, it's going to play the first scene where I set the start time and then merge to the second clip. Let's see how that merge goes. And there's our merge there. Obviously, you want to spend more time doing that more cleanly, but you could always press edit and merge scenes again and do it again. And you could look at some of these other options for the edit. But our goal is to basically do this on the camera as we roll. So now I could either record another video by pressing add another clip. So you just keep adding clips as you keep going here. So I could record another video, press record When I'm done, press X and it will show up here again. And let's say we're done. I'm just gonna press X again on top. Once you're done making your video, so all the different clips merging and whatever you need to do on that page, you have basically three options here. You could press this garbage can and you can move it to trash and start again. Again, you could press the edit in the middle. And the last option is this upload icon. Now you could send it to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, email, or your camera roll. So you could just save it to camera roll for later or just directly interact with these apps here. And if you have iCloud, the bottom option will give you the iCloud. You could set that in your settings. And where it says Amy, you could click that to change the project name to what you want. So you can now save this project and press plus sign and select the song to start a new video. Again, choosing the right format that you want. And that's basically all you got to do to make a video. On the corner here, there's also this option. If I press that, I could change the color options on my app, and I could change the background shape and color on my app as well. So I could have a different looking app if I wanted to. And that's basically the overview of the Video Star app. I'll make more advanced videos, but this should get you started with making your first music video on Video Star. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.